Hey, it's Teddy. There's a YouTube video out there I created back in 2015 that is no longer valid. So I thought I would create a revision of that video. It is all about sending out what used to be bulk messages to your LinkedIn network at once, which we can no longer send the bulk messaging the way that we were able to do it. It's gone. What we were able to do is go to our network, click on See All, and what we had was there was a checkbox here so we could check a bunch of LinkedIn connections based on some basic filtering, which the basic filtering for the most part's gone away. And we could check a bunch of them, and then there was a box up here that said send message. That is gone. So if we want to send a message to what we used to be able to, a bulk message, now we have to do it one at a time. I would encourage you to use the search filters and refine your list down to a very tight number. And make your search so you can drive the number down to a smaller number. Let's go to Charlotte. Let's go to all filters. Let's go down here and choose title that has VP or Vice President or Director. Let's apply that. Now we have 152 that are in Charlotte, first level with specific keywords. But let's go refine the list a little bit more. Let's go to a particular industry. Let's go to professional training and coaching and apply that. And we can drive 152 down to 8. So if I want to send a message to all of my first level VPs or vice presidents or directors in Charlotte in the professional training industry, now what I can do is I have to send a message at a time, but I can copy and paste that message to each one. So when I click on message, it'll bring up this box. I can send the message, copy it, hit X, do this one. It's going to do it again, paste the message, change the name, hit send and hit X, and do it one at a time, over and over again. It's about the only way you can really do it, except going to the messaging, starting a new message, and typing in multiple names here, and being able to remember that these are the folks I want to send the message to, which often we're not going to be able to remember more than a small set of them. So it's either go to search, drive your search down to a small list, and send one message at a time, copying and pasting the message, changing the name, or come back to the messaging app and remember the names of the people you want to send a message to, and then you can type the message in and send it all to them at once. You're limited, by the way, to 50 names in a group message through here. I'm Teddy Burris, your LinkedIn coach and trainer. I hope this updated video is helpful.